In this video, we'll teach you easy ways to select non-adjacent Excel cells. Holding Control. Click the first cell you want to select. Hold down the Control key. Click the other cells you want to select. Release the Control key once you're done. Note that the selection will disappear if you click any other cells while you've got your selection active. Using F8, highlight the first cell you want to select with the arrow keys. Press the F8 key. This will enable Extend Selection Mode, and you will see it denoted in the status bar at the bottom of the window. Use the arrow keys to select the cells you want selected. Press Shift F8 to stop selecting. The cells you selected will remain selected, and you will notice that you're in Add or Remove Selection mode. Use the arrow keys to highlight the next cell you want to select. You can also use the mouse to click the next cell if you prefer, though you can use the arrow keys if you're trying to only use the keyboard. Repeat steps until you've selected the needed cells. Press F8 again. This will disable Extend Selection Mode. Name box. Click on the blank white box directly to the left of the formula bar. Type the cell names or ranges separated by commas. Press Enter. All of the cells you entered in the name box will be selected, with the last specified cell being the active cell. Find and replace. Press Ctrl-A. Press Ctrl-F. This will open the Find and Replace tool. Enter some data in the Find What field. Click Find All. All cells containing what you searched for will show up in the Find and Replace window. Close the Find and Replace window. All cells containing the info you searched for will be selected. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.